Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Amsal and I'm from the Department of Basic Chemistry and my ID is 008. And in this I'm going to tell you about the intro to Python and these are the content. In first of all we will learn about how to use the Python calculator creating variables, and in second we can create Python list, how to create list, subset and conquer, replace list elements, function and packages, familiar function import package NUMPY array, 2D NUMPY array, my statement of accomplishment. Python basic. Python as a calculator. In this we can learn how we add, subtract, multiply or divide. For multiplication and subtraction, we can use similar sign as we use in math. And but for division and multiplication, we can use as we can see that for multiplication we can use 3 star 5, like 3 5s are 15, and for division 10 bar 2 10 divided by 2, so 2 5s are 10, and so on. Creating variables. Create a variable savings हमारे पास ऐसे के है 100. Create a variable growth multiplier 1.1 result, and then in last we can print out the whole result. Next, how to create a list. Area variable in square meters. We can use the whole house like hall, bed, bath in the square meters. Create list area and then print out the area. Subset and conquer. Create the area list, print out second element from area. Print out the last element from area, print out the area of the living room. In this we can create the area list like hallway, kitchen, living room, bedroom, bathroom, and the correct the bathroom area -1. So it in square meter it is equal to 10.50. Change living room to chill zone. Function and packages. In first pick, we can see that create variables 1 and 2. Variable 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and in variable 2, we can say that it is true or false. Next, print out type of variable 1, print type variable 1, print out length of variable, print length variable 1, and convert variable 2 to an integer. Out 2 is equal to integer variable 2. Create list area, print the index of element, print out how often it appears in area. Import packages. Navigation of radius we can use it as r is equal to 0.43. Import the match packages, calculate C, calculate A, build printout, NUMPY array and 2D NUMPY array. In NUMPY array, create list baseball, import the NUMPY package as NP, and in last we can print out the results. Sorting and grouping. For sorting column we use order by class. For grouping column we use group by class. Thank you. That's all from my side.